In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PDF instead of opening in Google Chrome. If you're tired of PDF files opening in a new browser tab and would rather save them directly to your computer, this quick setting change will do exactly that. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More. This menu is where Chrome keeps most of its options and tools. From there, choose Settings. Settings will open in a new tab and give you access to everything that controls how Chrome behaves. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This area covers permissions, site data, and how different types of content are handled. Next, select Site Settings. Site Settings lets you fine-tune how websites interact with your browser, including pop-ups, downloads, and file types. Scroll down the page until you find additional content settings, then click it to expand more options. The list can be a bit long, so keep an eye out for the section that specifically mentions documents. Click PDF Documents. This page controls whether PDFs open in Chrome's built-in viewer or get saved to your device. Now turn on the switch labeled Download PDFs instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. When this switch is on, clicking a PDF link on a website will download the file instead of launching the built-in viewer. By default, downloads go to your standard downloads folder, and you can open the file from there with your preferred PDF reader. A couple of quick notes to make this smoother. This change applies to the Chrome profile you're using, so if you use multiple profiles, you'll need to set it for each one. If you don't see the PDF option right away, make sure Chrome is up to date and try again. Also, if you ever want to go back to viewing PDFs in the browser, simply return to this same PDF Documents page and turn the switch off. That's all it takes. With this setting enabled, you'll avoid the extra step of closing viewer tabs, and you'll always have a local copy of your PDFs ready to organize, share, or annotate in your favorite app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the simpler, more predictable PDF experience in Chrome.